Hello everyone, welcome to Wire Network. In this video, we will be learn the process of enabling the Hyper-V virtual machine on Windows 11. Before initiating, it is necessary to familiarize yourself with Microsoft Hyper-V. Microsoft Hyper-V is a virtualization platform that allows you to create and manage virtual machines on Windows operating systems. It provides hardware virtualization capabilities, enabling you to run multiple operating systems concurrently on a single physical machine. To enable Hyper-V on Windows 11, you can follow these steps. Press the Windows key +R on your keyboard. It will open Run box, then enter appwiz.cpl and hit the Enter. Next, click on Turn Windows Features on or off. In the Windows Features dialog that appears, scroll down and locate Hyper-V. Check the box next to it. After selecting the Hyper-V features, click OK. Next, Windows completed the requested changes dialog box will appear. Close the dialog box and restart your PC. After restarting, you can verify that Hyper-V is installed by searching for and opening the Hyper-V Manager from the Start menu.